Is Sherifat Abdulrazak. I'm a creative, all right. I'm a creative writer, a motivational speaker. All right, my name is Sherifat Abdulrazak. I'm a creative writer, a motivational speaker. I've authored 2 books. The first one is Rebates, talking about you rebuilding yourself, and the second one is Amazon Word. That is, if you want to leverage into writing, you want to go into publishing, that book is basically for you. Right, the first thing I'll talk about is focus. Focus. When you're focused, you'll be able to, one, overcome challenges, because believe me, there is no path to success that is not rough. I don't know if you understand, not like rough, but at least there will be one challenges or the other that you will definitely face, and if you're focused, you definitely will overcome those challenges. So that's the first thing I will actually give out as a word of encouragement to everyone looking forward to take the same path. When you're focused, once challenges come, you'll be able to just see them as nothing. Believe me, before you know it, you've overcome them. Oh, the next time I'll be coming to those retreats, I'm actually coming with a printed copy of my books, not just to sell, but to give out as a gift to young ones that will be looking forward to take this same path which I am training on.